Today on your new K5 Blazer, we're going to be taking a look at the electrical system. We'll be starting with our brand new interstate battery right here that has 800 cold cranking amps. I want you to notice the cables going to it right here. Now the computer and some miscellaneous things, they like to be hooked up right to the battery. I don't like having a bunch of different cables that you have to hook and unhook. So all of the cables are all connected to one eyelet on the positive and the negative, and we've got our shrink wrap over it so that you only have two cables to deal with. You don't have to worry about anything else. I want you to notice these two fan relays right here for our fans right here. And I want you to notice how we use the nice wire covers on all that, and it's not just right here, it's going through the frame and everywhere else too, so it's nice and protected. Gonna last you a long time. Now let's go inside and take a look at our fuse box. Almost forgot, this relay right here, that's going to be for your fuel pump on your Sniper EFI. So our fuse box is right in the original position. I didn't change anything on that. You can see that our gauge lights are all coming on nice and neat. All of our headlight switches and all that stuff is brand new. We've got a brand new radio in it, and we've got a brand new interface for our air conditioning, because we've got brand new air conditioning that we'll be showing you later.